Hey folks, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix dev error 12502 in MW3. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply update the game and the graphic drivers. So in order to do the game updates, you need to ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. So if you are using the game in Steam, then you need to go to the library, then right click on MW3, then select properties and then tap on the update button. This will ensure it is set to update automatically. If you are using it in the battle.net, you need to open the battle.net app, then go to the MW3 page and check for the updates. Second thing is of updating your graphic drivers. So you need to visit to the official website of the graphic drivers that you are using in your PC. It can be NVIDIA, it can be AMD, and it can be Intel. So you just have to go to their respective website and download the latest drivers from there. Secondly, you just have to verify your game files. So corrupted or the missing game files can cause errors. Verify the integrity of your game files. So in Steam, you need to again go to the library, then select the MW3, then go to the properties. Now go to the local files tab and click on verify integrity of the game files. In the battle.net, you need to open the battle.net app, then go to MW3 page, click on the cogwheel icon next to the play button and select the scan and repair. In the third step, what you need to do is you need to adjust the in-game settings. So lower your in-game graphics settings, particularly the textures and the shadow details, to see if the error persists. Disable any overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience that might interfere with the game. So these are some of the methods that you can use in order to fix the dev error 12502. I hope this helps. If it does, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.